Draw a rectangular prism with the given dimensions and find the volume. The length is 45 centimeters. The width is 9 centimeters. The height is 20 centimeters. Volume equals to length times width times height. Volume equals to 45 centimeters times 9 centimeters. Area is 405 square centimeters. Volume is 405 cubic centimeters times 20 centimeters. The volume is 8,100 cubic centimeters.
Okay, so dito, 405, this is an area. So this is square. Okay, tanda na. Kasi area pa itong length times width, this is the area. You write cubic or cube when there is already a height. That is the volume. Okay, correct pa rin yung sagot nila. Okay, very good. So, this give them a 3 clubs. It's some basic pabuhay. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go.
Mabuhay!
Okay. So, let's read this. Cooperation. Sino yung leader sa inyo? Lahat ba nagtulong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3. Participation. Lahat ba nag-members? No, we will accept the performing rules within the group. 3. Tama ba yung sagot nila? Okay,
Yes, sir.
tama. Okay, 2, 3 pa rin. So, very satisfactory. Group 4. Ito ang word number 4. Construct a rectangular prism using block and find the volume. So, saan yung output ninyo? So, okay. What is the length? The length is 7 centimeter. Width is 7 centimeter. Height is 2 centimeter. Volume equals length times width and height equals volume. Volume 7 centimeter times 7 centimeter times 2 centimeter. Volume is 84 centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Okay, very good. Volume equals to 84 cubic centimeter. Everybody read?
Volume equals 84 cubic centimeters.
Okay, cubic centimeters or centimeters or cubic centimeters. Pareha lang na siya ha. Kung pwede ganito yung pagkasulat, pwede din ganito ang pagkasulat. Pareha na sila. Or square centimeters or ganito, square centimeters. Cubic pa rin ito. Cubic, square. Cubic centimeters, square centimeters. Okay, naintindihan?
Yes.
Okay, so let us give a nice clap to group 4. 1, 2, ready, go! Okay, let us make them to 4 cooperation. Lahat ba? Ito, no? Okay, 3. Participation, lahat din, participate. 3. Group output. So, tanong lang kayo sa atin kanina, so bigyan ko kayo ng okay, so 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 divided by 3. Pila? 2 times 3, by 3? 6. 6 times 3? 18. Okay, so 2.6 round off to the highest grade value. Pila yung sinado nila? Round off, become 2 or 3? 3 pa rin. Pag ikalog natin, 3, kung hindi, 2 and 6, 10. Okay, so group 5. Last group. So saan sila nabilog? Very satisfactory. Satisfactory next improvement. Ah, 2 and 6. If you're going to run off this one, it will become 3. So 3 pa rin 2 and 6 then. Round off. Very. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Good morning, teachers and all classmates. This is the work of group 5. Write a rectangular pieces inside our classroom and solve the problem.
Okay. What would you find? Okay, what do you call that one?
Answer back.
Okay, that is a puncher box. Okay, then.
The list is 28 centimeters. The width is 8 centimeters. The height is 35 centimeters. Volume, length times width times height. Volume equals length is 26 centimeters times width equals 10 centimeters. Volume equals 260 centimeters squared times 35 equals 900. 100.
Cubic. Okay, this is cubic centimeter. Okay, let's give them a let's go clap. Alam niyo yung let's go clap? Alam niyo hindi? Let's go. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, very good. So, group 5, cooperation. Tama na. Okay. Participation. Group output. Nagkamali sila sa ano? QB. Kasi squared yung sinulat nila. So, saan sila? Okay. Group natin to produce output. Okay. Bigyan ko lang sila ng 2. So, kaya sila 2 and 6. Then, B is very satisfactory. Okay. Congratulations. So, back to the movies that you watched a while ago, what did the two children possess? Or what are their a good values? Do you remember? What are the values that you've learned? Yes.
Collecting the newspaper.
Okay, values. So they are, ano? Nagkulikta sila. Mayroon silang ginagawa. So, anong values na mayroon sila? They are, yes. Industrial. Everybody?
Industrial.
Again?
Industrial.
What else? Ano pa? Wala na? Yun lang yung naalala nyo, industrial. Are they helpful? Helpful ba sila? Hindi.
Helpful.
Bakit nasabi nyo? Ano? Ano yung tinutulungan nila? did you do with your group? What did you do with your group to accomplish that? That's why nakakuha kayo ng very satisfactory. Ano pa yung ginawa niyo sa grupo ninyo? Yes? Everybody? Yes, ano yes? Nagtulungan. Okay, ano pa? Ay, nag-real pa rin. What else? Nag-isip. What else? Ano pa yung mga values? O para naging active nyo, nakakuha kayo ng very satisfactory. Yung pinakita nyo ng mga ugali during group activity ninyo. Yes? Naghilo, you behave well. You actively participate? Participate. Okay. So, how will you describe a rectangular prism? How will you describe rectangular prism? A six faces. Correct, that's right. What else? Rectangular prism has a length. What else? Has a height. Width. And four sides or four vertices. Volume. And has a area. Okay, so that's a rectangular prism. How will you find the volume of a rectangular prism? How will you find the volume of a rectangular prism? Or what is the formula in finding the volume of rectangular prism? Yes. Okay, very good. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Okay. Now may I request somebody to measure the length of this box. We are going to find the volume. Okay, who wants to measure this box? Another hand. Yes, you measure the length using centimeters. Ano yung length? Measure. Yan. Okay. What is the length? 19. Okay. The length is 19. Then 19. The width is yes. Percent. Measure the width. Width ano yung width? The width. 8. Okay, we have 8 centimeters. The height. Let me see. Measure the height. Yeah, 8. Okay, 8 centimeters. Okay, everybody. So, when you scratch paper, find the volume of this rectangular prism. Yes? Square 26 square centimeters. Another answer? Jerry?
1,416
Squared pa rin. That is already volume. Anong unit yung ginamit ng volume? Volume. Yes. Tandaan, pag volume that is cubic centimeter. Another answer. Meron pa? Wala na. Okay, wala na. Sulit na sa answer. Then, volume is equal to length times width times height. Volume, what is the length? 98 centimeters times 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Okay. 19 centimeters times 8. Everybody, 8 times 9. 8 times 1 equals 8. Okay. You give one word. Okay. 5 minutes only. Listen. Okay, okay, everybody read first the direction.
Raise the harmonize the picture carefully. Write only the letter. How will you express the unique measurement of volume? A unit, B square unit, C cubic unit, D kilowatt.
Kilowatt hour, everybody.
Kilowatt hour.
Okay, so how will you express the unit measurement of volume? A unit, B square unit, C cubic unit, D kilowatt hour. Okay, you answer. Okay, number 2. Everybody read.
Which figure is a rectangular prism?
Which figure is a rectangular prism? So, A. Choose A, B, C, or D. Rectangular prism. Okay, number 3. Everybody read.
It refers to the amount of space occupied by a solid figure. A is volume, B space, C mass, D area.
Okay, it refers to the amount of space occupied by a solid figure. A. Volume. B. Speed. C. Mass. D. Area. Okay, number 4. Everybody.
How do you call the volume of rectangular prism? A volume equals length times width. B volume equals width times height. C volume equals length times width times width. D volume equals length times width times height.
Okay, answer. Next, number 5. Okay. Okay, everybody read.
Find the volume of a rectangular prism.
Find the volume. It's good. Okay, 1 minute. Find the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, paspas. Okay, tapos na? Okay. Change paper with your seat. Okay, let's answer. Okay, number one. What's the answer number one? Okay, letter C. Cubic unit. Number two. A. Regular rigid. Number three. Volume. Number four. And number five. Okay. Five. Four. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, assignment. Assignment tomorrow. On Monday, Sample, you explain what you mean by perseverance, and Ray, you explain what you mean by the word kind. Or kindness. Assignment nyo yan is coming Monday. Ano ibig sabihin nyo? Okay. Okay, ito assignment. Basta itong kindness mo? Pili na?